Do you want to know how to unlock your $25 crypto.com bonus when joining? And do you want to know if it is actually even worth it? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have made a few videos where I have mentioned crypto.com because it is an app that I have recently started using and I actually really like it. And several people have asked me how to exactly unlock this $25 joining bonus you can get and if it's worth it and what you actually get for it. So I decided to make a video where I will explain all that step by step and show the pros and the cons so you can decide if you should join and get this $25 joining bonus. So I have now logged into crypto.com on my phone here and pulled it up on the screen so I can show you around, because the first thing you need to be aware of, if you do not already know, to qualify for a joining bonus on crypto.com, you need to join through an invitation link. And here on the screen now, you can actually see my code here, my referral code here, and you can see it down here. And if you decide to join, if you're not a member yet, you can use this code here. I will also leave a link below that contains it so you can just join through that. And that's the first step you need to do to be able to actually get this $25 joining bonus. You need to join with a referral code or through an invitation link. And then once you're inside, there are a few more things you need to do to unlock this bonus here. So let's go over that step by step. So once you're then inside and you have signed up using a referral code or joined through an invitation link, then you can potentially get this $25 joining bonus. And what you need to be aware of is, you can see this big button here. This is where you need to click, and then you can click here, rewards. And if you go there, then you can just click on this, unlock my $25 bonus, and see what you need to do. And you just click there and then you fulfill them. So let's go over the two demands that you actually need to do. Because the first thing is that you need to stake a certain amount of Crow coins, and Crow is the cryptocurrencies, like the crypto.com's own cryptocurrency. And you need to first of all stake that, meaning that you need to put worth of at least $400 into your account here and lock it for 180 days to be able to actually get this $25 joining bonus. And as soon as you do that, then you actually get those $25, but you also get those as these Crow, so as the crypto.com's own currency. So is it then even worth doing this to get those $25? Let me just jump over and show you something so we can talk a little bit more about that. So I have now just jumped to the balance where you can see my Crow balance, the balance I have in this crypto.com coin here. And you can see down here, I now have a staked one here, and you can see how long it is. I have to have it to be staked yet. I have 165 days left, and it has to be a minimum of 180 days. So after those 180 days, you can do exactly what you want with it. You can exchange it to other cryptocurrencies, you can take it out, or you can use it through a Visa debit card that I will tell a little bit more about in just a few minutes. So in general, you're just kind of putting money there for a certain amount of time, but you can then just take them out again if you want to. But also, of course, the value of this Crow will potentially go up and down, but you can see I actually staked $400. And you can see right now, the Crow coins I have staked here are worth $464 because the rate has increased since I actually staked it. And you can see it has only been around 2 weeks ago I actually staked it, and already it has increased this much. Of course, when it comes to cryptocurrencies, there are no guarantees that it will keep going that way. It could have decreased a little bit, but also if I'm lucky, it will keep increasing or overall increase over the next 165 days, and I will have earned even more when I can then actually unlock them and take them out or use them or do what I want. Personally, I actually do like having it here, and I've been invested a little bit more since I also staked this here, because it is a coin that I do not mind actually investing a little bit in. But of course, I cannot guarantee you. I want to make it completely clear that this is not financial advice. I cannot guarantee you anything when it comes to cryptocurrencies, if it will go up and down. This is at your own risk if you decide to invest in this. I just want to make that completely clear. But to get the $25 joining bonus, you need to stake this, but you can see potentially if it goes up, you will actually also earn by just having them there. And so far, it looks quite good for me. So that's the first potential way to actually earn more than just the $25 joining bonus, but it also gives you another benefit to actually unlock this bonus here. And that is the Visa debit card that I just talked about. So let's just show you something else you need to be aware of, because that's actually also a great benefit in addition to the $25 joining bonus you get when you unlock that. So when you unlock your joining bonus, at the same time you qualify to get a Visa debit card actually from Crypto.com. It is metal, it's actually really cool here. A card here that I have received now. You can get it immediately, virtually, as you can see on the screen here, and then use it to actually use any of your cryptocurrencies that you have in here on Crypto.com. You can just transfer them into your debit account there and then easily use your cryptocurrencies like that. Or you can get it physically, as you can see here. They ship it to you free of charge, and then you can use it as you would in any shop, physical or online. And the cool thing about it is it gives you cash back every time you spend it. So even when you go to the supermarket or the restaurant or buy a trip or go to get a massage or whatever you do, and if you pay with this debit card here, you actually get cash back into a Crypto.com account. With the one I have here, I get 2% of everything I buy with it, and you can get up to 8% depending on how many of these Crow coins you actually get. So that's an extra really cool benefit you actually get from unlocking your $25 joining bonus. But I will also make a full video about the cashback option and the Visa card later. Here I just wanted to quickly mention it, that is actually an additional bonus that you get on top of the $25 joining bonus when you decide to actually unlock that. So as you can see, it is actually quite easy to unlock the $25 joining bonus for Crypto.com, but it does require you to invest a minimum of $400 here to unlock those $25 joining bonus. But it has also some really big potentials, but whether it is worth it for you or not, that is completely up to you, because that depends if you're willing to take that risk, because I cannot guarantee you that the value of the Crow that you have to stake will go up. But if it does, then you will earn extra just by having them standing there. And in addition to that, it gives you the benefit of getting $25 for free and also getting this really cool debit card that also will give you cash back every time you spend money you were going to spend anyways. So when I joined Crypto.com, I definitely had no doubt that for me, it was definitely worth actually unlocking this bonus here. But just remember that to get it, you do need to join through an invitation link. And I will leave a link below here so you can join through that if you decide this is the right option for you. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you and helped you figure out if you should actually unlock this bonus here, if it is right for you. And if it did help you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to earn some extra money on the side online.